Anyways guys, so this is it. This is the trade that I'm taking on the account that I'm pushing. So the target is to get at least 18,000. I want to show you guys that it's very possible. So I'm going to take this account to at least 18,000 rands, make a withdrawal and post the results like I did with the accounts that I was trading. So I'm going to be showing you everything step by step. If you check the videos that I sent, this is actually the trades that I was holding. So I was holding NZDUSD. So NZDUSD, I'm looking forward to buy positions up until the market gets to this area around here. So when the market gets to this area, that's when I'm only going to take profits actually. So this is what's happening on NZDUSD. NZDUSD, I actually analyze it based on the higher time frame. Remember, like the video that I showed you guys last week, what I do is that I always move with the trend. So at this point in time, this is what I saw, guys. I went weekly because I always use the bigger time frames in order to check what's actually happening on the market. So I went weekly, I checked on weekly. The market was actually moving downwards. It's an area where there's high level of demand. There's a lot of people that want to buy this trade. There's a lot of people that want to push price up to this area. How do I see this thing? I see it based on chart pattern formation as well. If you guys can check properly what's happening here, this market is actually producing a head and shoulder pattern. So this is your left shoulder, this is your right shoulder, this area is your right shoulder. So another thing you guys need to remember is that when we talk about your left and right shoulder or your resistance and support, we are not talking about a specific price area. It's a zone, you understand? So it's always going to flip in that zone. So at this point in time, what I'm seeing is that this market is in a zone of demand. Where the market is at, there's a huge amount of demand that is going to happen. So with that being said, guys, you need to shift and go to lower time frames. So I shifted and went to at least 4 hours, checked my 4 hours. The market actually broke this area, so I'm looking forward to buy positions up until the market reaches this area. I'm holding now, guys. I'm not gonna leave this trade. I'm holding. I'll show you guys on the next video as well. So the market's actually moving up. It's buying up until it gets to this area. So this is also a demand and supply. I'm quite sure you guys can see this is also head and shoulder pattern as well. This is your left shoulder, this is your right shoulder. So the right shoulder is actually formulating. I'm expecting the market to buy up until it reaches the area up there. In fact, let me just put my long positions to show you guys what I'm referring to now. So this is it, guys. The market is definitely gonna buy. It gets to this area up there. So that's my target profit. So I'm not gonna get off this market up until it gets to this area. You guys can see it also formed like head and shoulder pattern here. So this is how you trade, guys. Very, very simple. Look forward to chart patterns, look forward to the market direction, check the market direction, check where the market is going to, and take your trades. So another thing I want to show you guys is US30. Remember the signal that we took last week on US30. I told you guys that US30 is definitely on a long-term sell. So the market is actually selling up until it reaches like important areas. So always go with the market trend, always go with the direction of the market. You don't just take trades. You need to understand where the market is actually going. So you can see that it actually touched these areas that I was referring to last week. Actually it touched, it rejected, guys. You guys can see here the market rejected and took off with a strong buy. So I'm actually expecting the market to increase price up until it reaches the level up there. So we're gonna take our profits. Anyways, make sure to like, comment and subscribe.